Python operator. In Python, to carry out arithmetic or logical computation, we use special symbols called operators. The value that the operator operates on is called the operand. I will demo you how to use Python operator for the symbols such as plus, minus, divide and multiply. Python operator modulus uses the symbol of %. It is remainder of the division of the left operand by the right. Python operator floor division uses the symbol of /. It is a division that result into whole number adjusted to the left in the number line. And exponent uses double asterisk symbol. It is left operand raised to the power of right.